My partner Kim Marie is over here, and this is our first big event. We just started a few months ago. This is our Mocha Crisp Peanut Butter Fudge, our traditional New Orleans pralines, our chocolate spice cookies, our chamomile scones with the lavender glaze, and our rosemary cupcakes with the cranberry rosemary frosting. Everything's gluten-free except for the scones, and we try to do as much gluten-free as possible so that most people can have it, at a time. We started our company because we were both vegan and we love baking, and over time as I refined what I was putting into my own body, I wanted to make products that wouldn't be poisonous for people, and I feel like refined sugars can be like really heavy and kind of bad for your soul even, and so we started experimenting with using coconut sugar and maple syrup, and these came out of experiments of love and wanting to promote desserts in a cruelty-free way.
That's awesome. And are you based in New York?
Yes, Brooklyn.
Oh, awesome. And how long ago did you start?
Officially 2 months ago, unofficially 5 months ago.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank
you.
you.
Doing great. And do you have a website, Twitter, and Facebook?
Yes, I do. Our website is brooklynroseveganbakery.com. Twitter is BKLYN Rose Vegan. And Facebook is BKLYN Rose Vegan Bakery.
And do you cater for events, weddings?
Small events for right now, but now that we have access to commercial kitchens, we can do larger events.
Awesome. Thanks for taking the time to talk to us.
Thanks for interviewing us.